How to find and get better dental and medical procedures. You know that the practitioner is too often limited by what your insurance offers. There are people that get much higher quality care because they know to access a lot more medical options. How do patients compare and shop what a doctor offers when they don't know how to actually question the procedures? Different altitude gives you the advantage of helpful 21st century medical science translated simply for you. Instead of limited medical viewpoints that narrow your options. One procedure can change your life.
We were torn up inside that our family was in tension over our mom being in a very costly nursing facility because that's what we thought was best. Until we heard the truth about the staff's gross misbehavior and constant turnover, combined with the other elders passing intense, dangerous germs. I had to work and couldn't be the caregiver, even though not having mom home and safe was making me feel really horrible about it. My immune system was suffering because of the heavy guilt. In the past, if you wanted to care for family at home with higher standard natural science that limits side effects, you had to do all the research yourself, pick the protocols, and figure them out without hand-holding. The Different Altitude team, led by Donovan Chapre, mapped out must-have education personalized coaching that gave us step-by-steps to keep mom at home and manage her health and her urinary issues with our own people that we trained, which had huge practical benefits for every extended family member over 40 because what we learned partly applied to them as well. The specific understanding that Different Altitude put in our hands on the personalized training calls made relatives chip in when they found that everyone's health could be helped by helping mom.
Don't allow your health to be derailed by old-fashioned procedures. Having Different Altitude at your side is your giant advantage. Different Altitude's team is with you each step of the way to answer your questions and educate you more easily. Different Altitude 1833 644 3400. Lifehacks at differentaltitude.com. Your doctor is too often in a hurry.